رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني وزدني علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا.
MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, beta. So we'll see your worksheets. So quickly, we'll start with the solving the problems from the worksheets. Okay? Chalo, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Abdurrahman, come on, read this problem for me, beta.
When complete, this addition chart will show all the possible scores that can occur when two dice are thrown. Which score has a greater likelihood of occurring?
Okay, what we'll see here is you have added it, right? You have added all of the things here. Here, 1 plus 1 you have added and you have written as 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, and all of these is written. What you have to do here is you have to check in all of the rows which one is recurring, which letter is recurring the most, which number is recurring the most. Abdurrahman, can you check here?
It's
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, excellent. It is the 7 that is recurring the most. That's all. This is the thing you have to write down.
Because when you do 7, 1, 2,
yes,
3,
excellent, beta.
4, 5, 6.
Yes, it is in all of the rows, right? All of the rows has all of the rows has 7. So you can write the reason that all of the rows has 7 as the probability of the sum of the when the die is picked, right? So it is 7. This is the answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem, Abdurrahman. Okay, where was the next problem? Okay, here's the next problem. The sports club, okay, the sports club is made up of 25 year 10 students. 25, Abdurrahman, 25 year 10 students and 48 year 11 students. And okay, these two are given. These two are the data that they have given. Okay, the next question they have told you is 2 by 5 of the year 10 students walk to the club. 2 by 5 of year 10 students. How we can calculate 2 by 5 of 25, beta? What you have to do is 2 by 5 multiplied by 25, correct?
Yes.
Understood how we are doing this? They have told you that in a fraction that 2/5 of the 25 students walk to the club. 2/5 of 25. What is 2/5 of 25, Abdurrahman? Can you calculate this? 2 by 5 out of 25. How many students are there in 22 by 5 of 25?
5 times 25 equals 25 over 1.
Yes. Huh.
So 5 times 1 equals to 5. 2 times 25 equals to 50.
50, yes, 50 over 5. What is 50 over 5, beta?
Simplified.
Yes, it's just dividing 5, 10. So it is 10, right? So 10 students of year 10 walk to club, correct? So what is 2 by 5 of 10? 2 by 5 of 25 is nothing but 10 students. Now we have got another data that 10 students of year 10, correct? 10 students of year 10 out of 25 walk to the club. This is done. The next thing they have given is 3 by 8. What is it given, beta?
3 by 8
of year 11. Have you calculated 3 by 8 of 48? 3 by 8 into 48. Yes, right, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Now please calculate this. How many year 11 students walk now? How to calculate it, beta? We just have to do 3 by 8 of 48. Yes, excellent. Now what you have to do? 3 into 48 divided by 8. What is 3 into 48? Over 1. Yes. What is 3 into 48?
So 8 times 1 equals to 8. And 3 times 48 equals to 48.
Into 3.
Plus 48.
You can multiply it with 3 now, beta.
8, 16, 24. So
4 to carry.
2 plus 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 144.
So 144 over 8, right?
8.
Okay, 144 8 divided, beta. Divide it, Abdurrahman. 8 divided by 144.
8 divided by 144 equals to 1020. You can't, wait. No, can't
You
I
can do
divide
it.
it by, I can divide it by 4.
Yes, you could. I could have done it in that way.
Zero, 14, 3, and then 2, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 236.
No, it cannot be 236.
I mean 36, 36.
Yes, it is 36. Okay, so this goes to 36 over 2, right?
Over 2.
Yes. So what is 2 divided by 36?
36 divided by
2 how many times? 2 1 times is 2. 3 1 remaining. 2 8 times is 16. What is it?
16.
No, it is 18.
18.
36 over 2 is?
18 over 1. Which
Okay,
equals
what
to
is the answer,
18.
beta? Okay, mashallah. So what we have got here is, we have got the 2 more things now, right? What 2 more things we have got? The first is, what is 2 by 5 of the year 10 students? Is nothing but 10 students, right? 10 students walk to the club.
Yes,
And
so
what
how
is
many?
3 by 8 of
25,
48,
we're
beta?
10 students, so we do.
Wait,
So
one
18
second.
plus
This
10.
is
So first we do 18
18
plus 10.
student. Excellent. What we do is first 18 plus 10, then they have to calculate the probability of the person who works for this school is year 10 student.
28. 28.
And year 10 students, how many year 10
So
students
it's
work, beta?
over 28. Over 28.
Yes,
And
it's over
a chance
28.
of, after that will be 10 over 28.
Excellent. So it is 10 over 28. Very good, Abdurrahman. So it is 10 over 28. What we can write instead of 10 over 28? Simplified.
5 over 14.
Excellent. It is 5 over 14. This is your final answer. This is your probability. That's all. 5 over 14 you can write, or you can write it in the decimal point, or you can write it as a percentage format. Whichever you want, you can write it, okay? You can leave it to the 5 over 14 itself. What you want, Abdurrahman? You want to divide it further?
No.
Okay, if you want to divide, you can divide it and write. It depends on the question, whatever they ask you, okay? If they ask you to write it in the decimal format, you can write it. But the answer is 5 over 14. Can you please write it in your worksheet, beta? Just write this one and you have to solve it at your home, okay? 5 over 14 is your answer. You have understood how to solve it, right? So what you have to do it? First, you have to calculate the fraction. 2 by 5 of the 25 students. And then you have to calculate 3 over 8 of 48 students. That's all. Then it's done. Okay, alhamdulillah. Next question. Okay, Abdurrahman, we have another question here. How likely is it to choose a random number between 10 and 100 that is a multiple of 9? Okay, a random number between 10 and 100. Okay, how many numbers are there in between 10 and 100? First, you have to calculate that, right? Do you have to calculate probability here?
Multiple of 9 is 9, 18,
do we not have
36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and 81.
So this is a wrong answer, Abdurrahman, because 9 is not included,
81,
right?
10 to 11. And 90.
Yes, excellent. And one more you have to include.
90 and 99.
Yes, excellent. So these many numbers are there and 9 is not included, right? Between 10 and 100. So 18, 27, 36. How many numbers are here, Abdurrahman? Please calculate how many numbers are here.
1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
Excellent. So there are 10 numbers between this one. You don't have to calculate the probability here because of the question, they have not given you to calculate the probability. They have told you how likely is it to choose a random number between 10 and 100, that is a multiple of 9. Do you want to calculate the probability, Abdurrahman?
No.
If you want, you can calculate it here. How will you calculate the probability, Abdurrahman?
That's all right.
If you want, you can calculate. What you have to do is you have to write just the 10 over how many total numbers, beta? 10 to 100. How many total numbers are there? There are almost 90 numbers, right? 100 minus 10 gives you 90 numbers, so it is 10 over 90. This is your probability, okay? Just 10 numbers in the total of 90 numbers, right? This is the probability. That's all. Understood?
Yes.
Understood, Abdurrahman? Okay, alhamdulillah. So we have another question here. Zach closes his eyes and takes a balloon from a bunch. Which of these bunches gives that the best chance of taking black balloon? Show your thinking. First, what you have to do here, Abdurrahman, is first you have to calculate the probability in all of the cases, Abdurrahman. Okay, what you have to do is you have to calculate the probability of getting a black balloon in all of these cases. How will you calculate, beta? What is the probability of black balloon in the first case, Abdurrahman? Quickly tell me. It is 2 over? Abdurrahman, can you hear me?
2
It is
over
5. Right?
yes.
2 black over.
First one is 2 over 5.
What is the second probability, Abdurrahman? 1, 2, 3. 3 black balloons, correct? 3 over. Total. What is the total number of balloons, Abdurrahman?
Total number of balloons is in the second one?
Yes, 3 over.
3 over 7.
Yes, excellent. Next, third one. 2 over.
2 over 4.
Excellent. The fourth one. It is
1 over 2.
1 over 3.
1 over
Total
3.
number of balloons. Yes. So these are the probabilities. Now they have told you which is the chance of taking the black balloon. Which one is the most chance? What you have to get is you have to calculate the percentage, or you have to calculate it in the point format. Okay, so that you can find which one of this all is greatest of all. Okay, which one is the greatest of all of these 4? Can you tell me which one is the greatest of all of these 4? Do you have a calculator? Do you have to use a calculator, beta?
No.
No. So, okay, no problem. If you don't use calculator, you can just calculate the percentage. Will you calculate the percentage?
No, we don't have. We have to.
Okay. Will you calculate the percentage of all of this now?
No, we can just do the fractions. We don't need. Yeah, we can even do the
Point.
percentage if you want.
You can also do it in the decimal format. What you have to do is you just have to calculate 2 over 5. What is the answer for 2 over 5?
2 over 5 equals 2.
Can you please divide it for me?
5 divided by 2. 0.20.
5 how many times is 20?
0.4. So
excellent. It is 0.4. Yes, it is 40%. Okay, next one, beta. 40%. What is the next probability? What is
3 over 7. 7.
I'll erase this for you.
Divided by 3. 0.03. 4. Remainder 2.
Yes, excellent. 7 how many times is 2?
6.
Excellent.
8. Remainder 4.
Excellent. So it is 0.428. This much is enough, beta. Let's stop here. So it is 42.8%. Okay, 42.8%. Third one, Abdurrahman. 2 over 4.
2 over 4 is 4 divided. 2 over 4 is 50%.
50%. Excellent. So it is 0.5, or it is 50%. Next one, Abdurrahman. 1 over 3.
1 over 3 is 30%.
No, beta, it is 33%. It's almost 33%.
33.3%.
Okay, excellent. So what you can write here is 0.33% or 33. Sorry, 0.33 or 33%. Abdurrahman, now tell me which is the most likely chance among all of these 3? Highest
third
chance. Third one. Excellent. So what you have to write is when you have 2 balloons of black and 2 balloons of white, and this chance, the third one, you will get the highest chance to get the probability of black balloon, right? Picking up a black balloon. So you have to mention the reason. Okay, it is 50% chance. So correct, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
So the best chance of taking the black balloon is the third one. That's all. Okay, because it is 50%, and the other things are 40%, 42%, and 33%. And the third one has a highest chance of taking a black balloon, right? Alhamdulillah. So the answer is
42. 50. The third one.
50%. Excellent. Understood? Any doubts in this, beta?
No.
Okay, we'll see the next question. What did Max get in the final test if his average score was 20 and his first 3 scores were 12, 16, and 28? Okay, how we have to solve this is, let's see in the next page, or we'll solve it here. Do you have any place here? Okay, we'll solve it here itself. There's no place left. Chalo, bismillah. Okay, the question they have told you, Abdurrahman here. Abdurrahman, are you listening? Be attentive in the class, beta. Be attentive in the class, please. Okay, the first question they have told you is, okay, the maths scored 12 in first test. Okay, Abdurrahman, 16 in second test, and 28 in third test. Okay, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
So first we'll calculate the total of all of these three tests. Okay, what is the total of all of these three tests? Is 56. Can you calculate 12 plus 16 plus 28?
Huh?
12 plus 16 plus 28.
12, 16.
This is test 1. This is test 2. This is test 3. It is
56.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So, you know what is the total of all, what the question they have asked here, Abdurrahman, is here there are four tests conducted together. Okay, there are four tests conducted together. They have just given T1, T2, T3. They have not given you the test of the T4 test, the final exam. Okay, they have not given the score of the final exam. Abdurrahman, following me?
Yes.
Yes, they have not given the answer or the score of the final exam. For this, they have given it as 12. For this, they have given it as 16. For this, they have given it as 28. But they have not given what you have scored in this test, T4 test. Okay. But what they have done is they have given the average of all of these. Average ka matlab hota hai. What does average mean? When you add all of these and divide it by 4, they have given the average mark, that is 20. Okay. Average of all of this they have given, it is 20. So what you have to do is, you know, average have they will actually calculate. What they do is they add all of this, and divide it by 4. What they do is they add all of this and divide it by 4. To calculate average, Abdurrahman, what they do is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. What they do is in this way, Abdurrahman, okay? And divide it by 4, and they tell you this is equal to 20. They have told you this is equal to 20. Understood, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
What they are telling you is the test, if they'll add all of the test marks and divide it by 4 matlab 4 tests hai hamare paas, right? We have 4 tests here. If we divide all the if we add and divide it by 4, then we will get 20 as an answer. They have given it already here, right? 20 as an answer.
Yes.
Yes. So now what we did was we added T1, T2, T3 here. T1, T2, T3, right, Abdurrahman? What is the answer for T1 plus T2 plus T3? Abdurrahman, what is the answer for T1 plus T2 plus T3? Test 1 plus test 2 plus test 3.
I said it, 56.
Yes, excellent. So it is 56 plus T4 is equal to 20 into 4. Can you understand this? No or yes?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes or no? See, I'll explain to you again. Again, beta. See, T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. If we divide it by the 4 number of tests, then we will get 20. This is the actual formula how to calculate the average. You know how to calculate the average? You have to add all the test marks and divide it by how many tests are there. That will be the answer for the average. Okay. So, but here we know the answer of T1 plus T2 plus T3, right? What is the answer for T1 plus T2 plus T3, Abdurrahman? It is 56. 56 plus test 4 is equal to 20 into 4. Why is it 20 into 4? Is if you have something in the division format here, if you send it in this towards the right side, then this division goes to multiplication, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so what is 20 into 4, Abdurrahman?
20 times 4 equals to 80.
Excellent. So it is 80. So to find the T4, what you have to do is we have to do 80 and what is left on this side, beta? Right hand side, and what is left on left hand side? 56 is left here, right? If we send 56, 56, the addition part of 56, if we'll send on the left side, then what it will become is 80 minus 56. What is it? 80 minus 56. Can you solve for what is 80 minus 56?
80 minus 50 equals to 30. 30 minus 6 equals to 24.
What's the answer now, Abdurrahman?
24.
The answer is 24. That's all. This is your answer. Okay. Have you understood this? This is an algebraic equation. Have you been through algebra? Have you studied algebra? Okay, but actually this is out of the topic. Actually, this is out of the box. Actually, because do you know if you'll send the positive sign over the equal to sign, then you'll get it minus. Do you know this concept?
No.
No. Do you know the concept of if you divide something, if you set it on the right side, then it is multiplication? Do you know that?
No.
No, but you have to learn it, right?
We learn that
Because
later on.
so, but this
Wait,
question,
is
why
that
did they?
called inverse operation?
Better, why did they give you this question then?
No, because the teacher who gave us this question, our teacher didn't program it. The high school teacher programmed it.
Okay, okay. So you do not want to study this, right? If you want, you can
No.
study this. But I'll tell you how an easy way. What you have to do is first you have to just add up T1 plus T2 plus T3. Okay. If it appears in your test, it is 56. Then what you have to do is you just multiply the 20 into 4. Why is it 20 into 4? The average mark into 4 test marks. So it is 80. Then what you have to do is 80 minus 56. That's this much. This much just you learn it. Okay. 80 minus 56. What is 80 minus 56 beta? It is 24.
24.
Only just learn this much. Okay. First what you do, just add T1, T2, T3. It is 56. Then what you have to do is 20 into 4. 20 matlab 20 is the average mark in the 4 test marks. So what you do is multiply it. So it is 80. 80 minus 56 gives you 24. This is your answer. This is an easiest way I can teach you. Okay. This one. The next question. So the next question they have asked you, Abdurrahman. Megan tosses the normal coin in 4 times. Okay. It lands heads up each time. She tosses this 5th time. Which of the following is it true? The first question what they have given you here, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, can you please read it for me? Are you following me?
Megan tosses a normal coin. Megan tosses a normal coin 4 times. It lands heads up each time she tosses it the 5th time. Which of the following is true? Explain your thinking.
Okay. It is more likely to light heads up than tails up? No. Because whenever you toss a coin, you can get head or you can get tails, right, Abdurrahman? Yes.
Yeah.
Is it certain to land tails up? No, not again. It has an equal chance to land heads and tails up, right? There is an equal chance. With it, equal ka matlab, you'll get 50% chance of heads or you'll get a 50% chance of tails, right, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the answer. Third one is answer. But it is more likely to land up tails? No. This is also the wrong answer. So we'll see the next question. Okay. Next question, Abdurrahman. A 2-digit number is written at random, okay? Determine the probability that the number will be an even number larger than 75. Okay, we have Abdurrahman. How many numbers which are greater than 75? And it should be even number. Can you please write it down here on the screen, Abdurrahman? Greater than 75, 75 to 100. Okay?
Yes.
Abdurrahman, 75 to 99. You have to write even numbers between 75 to 99.
Yes. Even
Write it down on the screen.
99. Okay.
76?
76, 78.
Yes, excellent. Write it down.
78, 80, 82, 84.
Yes, excellent.
84, 86.
88, 90, 92. Should I write it on the screen? Anything? Any problem?
86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98.
So how many even numbers are here, Abdurrahman?
There's...
So you should have written this actually. 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92. Count it, Abdurrahman. 94, 96, 98. Now please count how many numbers are here.
12.
Excellent. So it is 12 out of how much? How many numbers are between 100 and 99? 75 and 99. 75 to 99, right? How many numbers are between 100 and 75? 100 minus 75.
There's 25 numbers.
25 numbers. So how will you calculate the probability, Abdurrahman? It is nothing but total numbers between 75 and 99. And then it is How many numbers are even, right? So 12 over 25 is your answer. What is your answer, Abdurrahman? Please write it down in your worksheet. It is 12 over 25. Focused, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Okay, so what is it? It is 12 over 25. Please write it down in your worksheet. How will you solve this in your test tomorrow? How will you solve this in your test tomorrow? First, you have to write it down how many numbers are between 75 and 100, right? Because two-digit numbers are 75 to 99 only. Correct?
Yes.
If you calculate how many numbers are there totally, there are 25 numbers from 75 to 99. Then when you calculate the even numbers, how many even numbers are there? There is 12 over 25. Okay, beta? Excellent. Understood, or any doubts in this? Tomorrow you are having test, you have to be serious, Abdurrahman. Now, the next question. The spinner is divided into 9 equal sessions. Which two different numbers in the spinner are equally likely to come up? What you have to do here, Abdurrahman, is you have to solve first the number 1. How many times will number 1 appear on this, beta?
2.
2 times. Then what they've told you that there are 9 equal parts. So it is 2 over 9, right? 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Then tell me how many times the 2 might appear here.
5.
5. So it is 5 over 9. Now tell me how many times 3 might appear here.
1.
So it is 1 over 9. Now tell me how many times the 4 appears.
1 over 9.
1 over 9. So now these are the probabilities, right? Now what did they tell you? Which two different numbers in the spinners are equally likely to come up? Equally likely. How many numbers
So
are
that
equal
will be
here?
4 and 3 because it's 1 over 9 and 1 over 9.
Excellent. So what you have to write is 4 and 3 because the probability of 3 and 4, probability of getting 3 and 4 is equally likely on the spinner. Okay, this much you have to write it. Okay, it is 3 and 4. It is not 2 and 3, Abdurrahman. It is 3 and 4, right? It is not 2 and 3.
Yeah,
it is 3
I got
and 4.
that wrong.
Yes. Okay. So it is 3 and 4. Okay, Abdurrahman. Please write it down in your worksheet so that it will be easy for you to revise for the test tomorrow. Okay. It is 3 and 4. Can you please write all of this on the screen, what we are solving on the screen or on your worksheet, please? Please write it down in your worksheet so that it will be easy for you to revise tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So what's the answer to this question, beta? It is 3 and 4 because these two events occur equally, right? It is equally likely to occur because the probability is 1 over 9 for both of it. Okay. The next question, the same thing.
Wait,
what you
can I
have?
see my book so we can do some questions from my book?
No, we have to solve all the worksheet problems and then we'll go to your book problems. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, please. Tell which shape has the 40% of being chosen out of the box? How will you calculate this, beta? It's the same as the above. What you have to do is to tell me how many total number of this one. Total number of shapes here. Abdurrahman, how many shapes are here?
20.
20 shapes. Excellent. So now the first shape, which is the first shape? Let's see this shape. Okay. It is a rhombus. Now tell me how many rhombuses are here.
Rhombuses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11.
So it is 11 over 20. Okay, the next. How many stars are here, Abdurrahman?
How many stars?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 8, 8.
Excellent. How many circles are here, Abdurrahman?
Circles 1.
So it is 1 over 20, right, Abdurrahman? Okay, the question they have asked is which shape has a 40% of chance to be chosen? Now tell me, Abdurrahman, for which if you'll divide, you'll get 40% as a percentage. Is it 11 over 20 as a 40%? Is it 8 over 20 as a 40%? Or is it 1 over 20? Is it 1 over 20 as a 40%? Please calculate it. Please divide it.
It's 8 over 20.
Can you please divide it, beta? What you have to do is 20. You have to write here. You have to write 8 here. So it is 0. If you'll add a 0 here, then how many times is this one? It is 40. Excellent, Abdurrahman.
Yeah.
What is it? It is 8 over 20 is.
Yeah.
So which is this one, beta? Which is the answer you have to tell here? It is star, right? It is a star or
yes, star.
Yes, it is a star. So the star shape is equally has a 40% chance of being chosen out of a bag. That's all. This is your answer. Okay, it's easy, right? Okay, Alhamdulillah. This question, Abdurrahman. Please read it.
The result of a survey conducted with 50 boys and 50 girls, one of the surveyed and chosen at random. Find the probability that the person will be
A girl. Okay.
a girl, a man, a girl who does not like cheese, a boy who likes cheese, a child
It
who
is
does not like
50
cheese,
over
an example of it.
for the
50
girl. For the
over
girl.
100.
Excellent. It is 50 over 100. Next, a man. A man. How many men are here? There are no men here, right? There are just the boys here. So what is the probability? It will be
0.
0 over 100, which is nothing but 0. That's all. Then a girl who does not like cheese. They have given this one here. A girl who does not like cheese. How many girls do not like cheese, Abdurrahman? What is the count here?
Don't like cheese, girls. 10.
Excellent. It is 10. So you have to write it's 10 over how many total number of girls, Abdurrahman? What you have to write is total number of girls. So it is 10 over
50.
Excellent. Then next question. A boy who likes cheese. What is
30.
it? Is 30 over? What is it? Is 30 over 50, Abdurrahman?
30
Okay.
over 50.
The next question they have told you is a child who does not like cheese. How many child? What does the child refer to? It might be a boy or a girl, right? Child का मतलब होता है. What does child mean? It might be a girl or a boy. Who does not like cheese. Does not like cheese. How many do not like cheese?
20.
20 plus?
10.
Yes, 20 plus 10. Child is nothing but boys plus girls. You have to do 20 plus 10 is 30. It is 30 over 50 again. Correct? 30 children do not like this one. It is 30 over 50. Is it 50 or 100, beta? It is 100, right?
100.
Excellent. It is 100. So it is 30 over 100. You have to write 30 over 100 here, Abdurrahman. Okay? Do not get confused. You have to change all of this in your worksheet because it's wrong here, right? Okay, chalo, next question. If this is a sample of a school that has 500 boys and 500 girls, okay, if there were 500 boys and 500 girls, estimate the number of students who do not like cheese. Not like cheese. Whereas do not like cheese, this one, right? 20 plus 10. You just have to add 1 0 to it. Okay, 1 0 1 0. 200 plus 100 gives you 300. Then over total number of students they have told you is 500 plus 500. What is 500 plus 500? It is 1000 students, right?
Yes.
It is 300 over 1000. Correct or wrong, Abdurrahman?
Correct.
Okay, next the question is use the table data to complete the graph. Can you complete this graph, Abdurrahman? Can you complete this graph now?
Don't like cheese, girls.
This is done. Cheese one is done. You have to write this like Vegemite. Like Vegemite. Like Vegemite. How many boys like Vegemite, beta?
I'm still not done with the cheese one. Wait. Boy, how many boys you like Vegemite? 25.
Yes, 25. Please write 25 there on the screen, on the graph.
And girls who don't like Vegemite?
Don't like Vegemite.
Like Vegemite, it's like.
That like, yes, that like
20.
Vegemite, yes. 22. Excellent.
20 and don't like Vegemite. 20.
First the boys. It is 25, right? Mark for 25 first.
25.
Then mark for, yes. First mark for 25 and then next mark for?
Girls who don't like Vegemite, 30.
Yes, excellent. It is in this way, okay? Excellent. Okay, we'll see the next problem. Okay. Can you solve this, Abdurrahman? It's easy as well. It's the same thing. What you have to do here is the question they have told you, Abdurrahman, what is the question here? For the 15 minutes, Petra recorded the number and flavors of the ice cream sold in 15 minutes of lunchtime. Vanilla 24 are sold, chocolate 33 are sold, strawberry 19 are sold, and in 12 lemon flavored ice creams are sold. Okay, in 15 minutes time. Okay.
Yes.
Now the question they have asked you is, come on, tell me how many vanilla ice cream sold in 1 hour. 1 hour. How many 15 minutes are there in 1 hour?
You do 24 times 4 because it is 96.
Yes. Why is it 4 times, beta? Because there are 15 into 4. Matlab 15 into 4 gives you 60, right? 15 4 times is 60. So we have to multiply it with 4. We will get 96. Okay, next question. In 1 hour, strawberry in 1 hour, beta.
What time do we have class up till?
Up till 20 minutes, 10 minutes more.
Yeah, like right here, right now it's 8:45. Can we do it till like 9:10 maybe?
Okay. But you have to be quick here. I have a class after this. You have to be quick.
Like 9:05. Like 9:05.
Okay, well, we'll try. We'll see. We'll try to complete this soon. Okay, Abdurrahman, the next question. Can you please read this next question? 100 marbles were placed in the bag and the following sample was pulled out of it at random. Okay. Can you please solve it? How many? What is the prediction to get green?
Marbles were placed in a bag and the following sample was pulled out at random. Use this sample to predict how many marbles of each color were in the bag.
Okay, how many green? Was it the colors mentioned here? But all of this have gone to gray, right?
Yeah. Because I just changed this. The first one's red, second one's green, third one's yellow, red, green, blue, red.
Okay, now we'll just calculate how many green are here. It is 1.
I wrote down like the letters for it.
Yes, so we have 3 green colors here, but what we have to calculate in 100 marbles. So if we have to multiply it with 10, right? So it is 30 over 100.
Over 100.
Okay, the next question, Abdurrahman, red. How many red marbles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 40 over 100.
40
and
over
then
100.
Yellow is 1, so it is 10 over 100. And blue is 1. How many blue are here? Again, 2. So it is 20 over 100. Okay, that's all. Alhamdulillah, done. So there's another question. If the marbles were returned and the different 10 marbles were chosen, how would they resemble the first lot of marbles?
We had to skip that question.
Okay, let's skip that question. Now, chalo, this one you have understood, right, Abdurrahman? Was there any doubt?
I understood this one. Yeah, I understood this one.
Okay, and this one, beta, the below one, you did not solve it actually. It is actually very easy. This one, this child, the firstborn child, if he is a boy, then what will be the combination of this?
I understood that one too.
Yes. Is it easy, right? Just the boy, just girl, just boy, just girl, a boy, girl, boy, girl. In this way, you have to write the 3 diagrams, okay? The next question. These problems?
Yes.
Chalo. Mike is playing cards with his sister, and when he draws a card from the pack of 35 cards, numbered 1 to 35. What is the probability of drawing number that is divisible by 5? Okay. How many numbers are divisible by 5 in the pack of 35 cards? 1 to 35. There are numbers 1 to 35, Abdurrahman. So tell me 5.
10, 16, 20. Okay, so we do 35 divided by 5 equals 7.
30, 35. So it is 7. Excellent. 7 over. How many numbers 1 to 35 is? 35 numbers. So it is 7 over 35. What is 7 over 35? 7 1 times, 7 5 times. So it is 1 over 5. Right, Abdurrahman? Oh, you can also write it in percentage if you want. Okay, the next question. A box contains 90 discs, number 1 to 90. Okay, one disc is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that it weighs a number divisible by 3 and 5? First, what you have to do is divisible by 3. Abdurrahman, how many numbers are divisible by 3?
90 divided by 3 equals to 30, 90 divided by 5 equals to 18.
So 18. 18 numbers plus 30, right? And whenever they ask you and, Abdurrahman, what you have to do? 30 numbers and 18 numbers. You have to add total of it. How many numbers are here? Abdurrahman, I cannot hear you.
What did you say?
Okay, beta. Well, what will you do next? How do you calculate the probability, beta? So this 30 over
48.
No, 30 over.
30 over.
Because the probability of first you have to calculate the probability of divisible by 3. 30 over 90 numbers, correct? Then what is the 18 over 90?
18 over 90 simplified equals to.
We have to simplify both of this, or we can add it and simplify. What you want to do it?
Add it and simplify it.
So add of this fractions and simplify it. What will be the answer, beta?
So added equals to 48. 48. So 48 over 90. 48 over 90 simplified equals to 2 divided by 48. So 2 divided by 48 equals to 2 and 4. So 24.
Yes.
24 over
90 divided by 2. That is nothing
4
but 45.
1. So that's 5. 45.
Okay, 24 over 45. Again, can it be simplifiable, beta? Yes.
No.
Yes or no? The 3 table, beta?
Oh, yes, you can. Yes, you can. So that equals to 6.
3 how many times is
That
24?
equals to 6.
3 8
No,
times
wait,
is 24?
6. No,
No.
18, 20, 18,
3 5
21.
times is 15. 3
8,
6.
8 over.
3 1 times. 3 5 times. So it is 15. 8 over 15. Is 8 over 15 simplifiable? No. So it is 8 over 15. This is your final answer. Okay. Okay. What was wrong here, Abdurrahman? Why did you mention you in wrong way? Why did you strike it out?
No, I forgot it. No, because I
Simplification is
forgot the
important.
thing. I didn't
Simplification.
simplify it.
Okay, simplification. You have to do it, okay? The next question. A box contains 9 Is it over? Yes, it's done. The next question, beta. 3 green marbles, 5 blue marbles, 8 red marbles. You ask a friend to pick one of this. What is the probability that marbles are not green? Not green. Where is the
Okay,
green?
so first we have to add them up.
Yes, you just have to
So
subtract the green one.
5 plus 2 equals to 8. 8 plus 8 equals to 16. So not green equals to 16 minus 3 equals to 13 over 16.
Yes, it is 13 over 16. Excellent. Okay. You can write it as percentage as well, or you can write it as decimal part as well. Okay, the next question. A bag contains 15 beads. Is it 15? Yes, probably,
Yeah,
right?
15. This is the
15
question
beads.
that I didn't understand.
Okay, there are red or yellow that are either red or yellow. Okay. Okay, the probability of randomly removing a red bead is 25. They have told you already probability of taking out the red is 20%, Abdurrahman. Okay. The next question, what is the probability of randomly removing the yellow bead? You have to write what is the probability of randomly removing the yellow bead. Abdurrahman, what you have to do here is just see here, beta. The probability of removing red bead is 20 over 100. Correct or wrong?
Yes.
The probability of removing yellow. What is the probability of removing yellow now? If it is 20% this one, then what is the chance for getting yellow, Abdurrahman?
80 over 100?
Yeah, so it is 80%. Excellent. So probability of removing this one is this one, what 20 over 100. Yellow is nothing but 80 over 100. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Understood why it is 20% this one. The remaining percent is for the
I
yellow
understand
bead.
it, yeah.
So it is 80%. 80% for that yellow bead. If it is 80%, then you have to simplify 0 0 removing 0 0 out. 2 4 times is 8, 2 5 times is 10, so it is 4 over 5. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Isn't it easy?
Yes.
Yes, alhamdulillah. The next question, beta. Okay,
This
question.
graph shows the result of 100 spins of a spinner. Which of these spinners is most likely to give the result shown in the graph? Explain your answer.
It's again the matter of colors here. Actually, you cannot understand which is dark gray, which is black, and which is light gray.
No, this is dark gray. So that's dark gray. So this will be dark gray.
Okay, so which is the answer, beta? Do you know which is the answer? If you understood the answer,
the
then
answer was this one. The answer was this one.
Okay, you have understood the problem, right? It was easy then. Okay, alhamdulillah. Is it easy?
This is why this was light gray.
Okay, alhamdulillah.
Black, and this was dark gray.
Okay, so which is the correct percentage, Abdurrahman? Which is the correct figure?
Second one.
Second one. Okay, excellent. Why is it second one? Because how many? 52. There's the 52% is white here, and the black part it is 12% here, and the gray part, light gray part is 13% here, and dark gray part is 23% here. Okay, it should be this side, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. So it is second. Okay, the next question, Abdurrahman. Can you please read it for me? The basket is so small, so it takes one child for a ride. They each write their name on the piece of paper. Mr. Jones randomly selects one child to go with him. What is the probability that he will not select a boy? Abdurrahman, how many children are here, Abdurrahman? You have written Mary, Carla, John, Linda, Peter, Janissa. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Now tell me, what is the probability that he will not select a boy? Can you tell me
Did
how
you
many?
not select a boy? Okay. Okay, I know this question. So first of all, the children, there are 6 children, yeah?
Okay, 6 children.
6 children and 2 are boys. So 6 minus 2 equals to 4.
So there are four boys or 4 girls here.
Yeah. There are four girls and there are 2 boys. So
Yes,
then we
exactly.
do
4 girls, 2
4, so
boys.
it's equals to 4 over 6. So
So
which
what
is
will it tell you?
2
Will
over
not
3.
select a boy. It is 4, correct? Not boys are
Yes.
4. So it is 4 over total number of students. This is 4 over 6. 4 over 6 is nothing but 2 over 3. That's all. Alhamdulillah. Next one, beta. What is the probability the spinner will land on the multiple of 3 and 4? So tell me which are the multiples of 3. Is 24 the multiple of 3? Yes.
Yes.
Is 22 the multiple of 3? No.
No.
Is 22 the multiple of 4? No. It is not the multiple of both. 54. Is it a multiple of 3 or 4?
Yes.
It is not the multiple of 4. 54. Let's divide it by 3 and see. 3 1 times, 3 1 times, 4 5 2, 3. How many times it is 3? 3 8 times. So it is a multiple of 3. Let us see whether it is a multiple of 4 or not. 4 1 times, 4 5 4 7 times. Oh yes, it is a multiple of 3 and 4. Okay. Now tell me
Yeah.
36. Is it a multiple of 3? Yes, it is a
No.
multiple of
No,
3.
yes it is. Yes it is.
Yes,
And 4?
4 as well. Yes. And tell me whether this is a multiple of 3 and 4.
3. It's only multiple of 3.
Oh, is it not about the 4? No, correct?
No.
It's just 3. This one, none. It is multiple of none.
None.
What about 12? Multiple
12
of
is
3.
both.
4. What about 64, beta?
Both.
Is it so?
No.
No,
Only
it's just the
4.
first 4. It's just 4. Now tell me, what is the probability the spinner will land on the multiple of 3 and 4? Now first we'll see the multiple of 3. How many multiples of 3
So
are here?
in the spinner, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 chances. So out of 8,
How many are the multiples of 3, beta? 1, 2,
3 and
3,
4.
4, 5.
2, 3. So there's 3 over 8.
For 4? You're calculating it for 4 or you are
Because it
calculating for
said
3?
land on a multiple of 3 and 4. So it will be, and a multiple of 3 and 4 is 1, 2, 3.
Okay, mashallah. In this way, excellent. So it is 3 over 8. So you want to calculate 3 and 4. So it is both, which line on both of it is nothing but 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. So it is 1, 2, and 3. Excellent, beta. So it is 3 over 8. Chalo, we'll see the next problem. Come on, Abdurrahman, solve this, please.
Mandeep asked
Be quick.
100 people whether they liked coffee or tea. The Venn diagram shows the result. A student is selected at random. Find the probability that a person doesn't like neither tea nor coffee.
Neither tea nor coffee. You should not focus on this. You just have to see which is not even the coffee, not even the tea. How many are there, beta? 22, because it is out of the box, right? Out of these 2 circles are the people who do not like both of the coffee and tea. So there are 22 people, right? 22 people, Abdurrahman, don't like?
Yes?
22 people don't like coffee as well as?
Tea.
Yes. So 22 people are out of the box. Now you have to see, find the probability that the person does not like neither tea nor coffee. So it is 22 over how much, beta? How many total number of people they have surveyed?
38 plus 17 plus 23 equals to 78. So that equals to 22 over 78.
No, it is not 22 over 78 because there are totally
it's 100,
100 members. Yes, there's 100
Yeah.
members. So it is 22 over 100. You should be careful when counting the total number of people. So it is 22 over 100. What is the 22 over 100? Can you please simplify this for me?
Huh?
22 over 100. Simplify it,
over
beta.
100 simplified equals to 11.
2 1 times, 2 1 times, 2 5 times,
11
0.
over 11 over
50.
20.
11 over
50.
50. Yes, Alhamdulillah, this is correct. Okay, the next question. Okay, this one, beta. The 3 baseball caps are in box. One is red, one is green, and one is blue. 2 caps are picked out of the box. 2 caps should be picked out. Okay. First, we can write red and green. Okay. If you write red and green as you have picked, if you pick red, then along with that, how many you can pick, beta? You can pick either. Please, can you please do this tree diagram for me?
That's a tree diagram.
Okay, now please do it again. You should not see this. You have to do it here.
Okay, so there's baseball caps and a ball. So there's this a cap.
Okay. You're picking up either red, green, or blue. Red, green, blue.
Yeah. So there's
Three chances you have: red, green, blue.
blue,
With red, you can pick
red, green. Blue, red, green, and blue
Excellent.
again. Yeah, blue, red, green.
If you'll pick one blue, then what two chances are left out for the next pitter?
There's green and blue.
Excellent. Green and red. Green and red. For if you'll pick red, then what chances are left out? Blue and?
If you pick red, then the chance blue and green.
Then if you'll pick green, then the red and blue are left out. This is the probability. That's all.
Yes.
Okay. What is the probability? The question they have told you. What is the probability that one half of the hat is red? One of the hat is red is. You can calculate it directly here. 1 probability, 2 probability, 3 probability. So it is 3 over total probability is 9. Correct?
3 over 9. Yeah.
Yes, alhamdulillah. So it is the answer through the tree diagram. Okay. The next question, Abdurrahman. It's easy. I choose.
Yeah, this is the question I need help with. I don't get this question.
Okay, just the question here is over 30 at random. What is the probability that a favorite type of TV show is reality? You just have to check which is over 30 here and what is reality here. Which is this one, beta? It is 137. 137 over. What is the total here? Is it mentioned? Was it already mentioned or was it just the space he left out here?
Space left out. All the one that I've written is the space left out. I have to fill in the gaps.
Okay, you had to fill that. Okay, so what we have to do here is they have given the total here, Abdurrahman. Okay, 450 total
Yes.
they have given here in this box. This one, what is it? Is it 120?
158 it seems.
Sure. Please check your worksheet, please.
Can you check your
worksheet?
It's 128. Just add them and you'll find out. If you add them, you'll find out.
Okay, this is 128, this is 17. So what you have to do is you just have to write a 128 plus 17. What is the total of 128 plus 17, beta?
128 plus 17 equals to 128 plus 10 equals to 130 and 138 plus 7 equals to 145.
140? 45. So we have 450 in total here. They have already told you 450 in total. What is 450 minus 145?
450 minus 145 is you can't do, so 5. You take the 5 and cross it out, 4. And 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 5 is 0. 3 or 5.
So it is 3, not 5. Now you have to divide 3, not 5 in this and this. Okay, 3, not 5, 3, not 5. You have to divide 3, not 5 in 2. Okay, you can either write it here, a half of it, or half of it you can write it here. But I do not know why they have taken 127 exactly and 183 exactly. We'll see why they have taken it. We just want to see that it is nothing but 3, not 5 divided by 2. 3, not 5. We have to divide 3, not 5 that is left out and this and this. Okay, we'll see the next problems and then we'll get back to this one. Okay, we'll see this one. This one is not given. This is 244 beta. Now this is 34. Okay, is it 34? Yes. It's not given. It's not given again. It's 137 here. It's 550. So this is also not given here, right?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So what we have to do here is we have the total here, right, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Yes. 3, not 4 should be here, right? 3, not 4 yes. Or 5? 3, not 5. We'll erase it and see. It's very easy. You know what you have to do here? Okay. What is left out of the Rahman? What did I tell you? It is easy. It might be 3, not 4. It is 3, not 5. It might be 3, not 5 by 2. It might be 3, not 5 by 2. What you have to do here is you have to add up this both. Okay? Abdurrahman.
Oh, okay.
We have a total. We have a total here as well, right? We have a total in this section as well. We have a total in this section as well. Now we have 320 left out here. 320 left out here. 320 minus 137. 137. What is 320 minus 137, Abdurrahman?
320 minus 127 equals to 320 minus 127 equals to 0 minus 7. You can't do, so equals to 1. 10 minus 7 equals to 3. 1 minus we can't do. 11 minus 2 equals to 9. And 2 minus 1 equals to 1. 193.
It is 183, not 193. So this 183 is written here. So 183 is written here. So we have a 305. It should be 305, this or this one. So 305 minus 183. What you have to do is just 305 minus 183. This is 183 already done. 305 minus 183 is this one answer, beta. What is 305 minus 183?
127.
Yes, this is the answer. Understood? If you have filled this and this, then this is easy. This will get easy, right? 257 minus 127 is this answer. And then this plus this is this answer. And here again, the same thing occurs, okay? Will you do it? Is it easy?
Yes.
Yes. You just have to see this totals and these totals. These two are the totals, okay? Okay, alhamdulillah. This much is your answer. This one we have understood, right? Over 30, and reality show. What is it? 137, right? So it is 137 over 137 over. What is the total number of over 30s, beta?
137 over 550.
550. And that's all. This is your answer. Done or
Can we
not?
do one more question?
Yes, we'll do it. We'll solve this problem. Okay, solve this, beta.
Like a basic one, like an easy one.
Okay, you do not want to solve this. It's easy as well.
Okay, a standard six-sided dice is rolled 50 times, and the results are recorded. Experimenters believe that the dice may be
What is the probability that 3 will be the result of the next roll?
Express the probability as a percentage.
Yes, and what will be the 3 will be the probability. How many times if you do 3, then you'll get the probability. They have already told you, they have already experimented that if you'll flip a die, which is a 3, okay, you'll get 10 times, okay? 10 times is the probability. So what will be the answer, Abdurrahman, here? 10 over, what is the total number of frequency? How many number of experiments they have done, beta?
We have to add them all up.
Yes, we have to add them all up because they have already told that 50 times they have done the experiment.
32, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 10, 48 plus 2, 50.
So it is 10 over 50 is your answer, okay? 10 over 50 is, okay, alhamdulillah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Have a good day.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.